So this week at Astill Design we're doing a little bit of furniture for the grandkids as well. So this is my granddaughter Georgia. She's standing and I'm doing the big job. Up at PPG this morning. Come up to see John Aristis. John and I worked on quite a few projects together over the years, and today I'm just up here to work out some colours for the BOSSXC and also for the panel van. So it should be exciting times. So this is up at Eastern Creek at the training centre. Hello, we're up at PPG Training Centre with John Aristis, and John and I go way back. Done quite a lot of cars together, and prior judge at Summernats. How are you today, mate?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
The sun's out.
Isn't this fun trying to play colours?
Some good sun to look at colour.
So we're trying to work out a colour for, or a couple of cars for BOSSXC, but also for my panel van. So the panel van's a lot easier because it's just going to be green. We just got to work out which one. So it's a fairly, well, sometimes exhaustive, but someone like John's got all the knowledge and all the colours. And just to give you a bit of an idea, we just, oh, there's my ute in the background, look at that. So depending on whether they're in the sun, whether they're in the shade, obviously makes a difference. So we're just working our way through that, and we'll keep you posted. Got a bit carried away and give it a double cut. So up and down the hill to start with, and then across. Same time of day, sun setting. Look much better now. Let's see where they got run over the other days. Coming back pretty good. Be nice to have all of it that green. Looking much better. Old Rover should set it up to Liam soon and get it to service. Poor old girl doesn't get looked after too well.